at steering.
So I wasn't expected to find this place where we are driving through the city. An underground river cave system, but it is actually in the middle of the sea. We believe we're in the right place.
So, if you need, we have restaurant behind the wall, and if you're ready, you can enter this direction. Before the cave, you can see the museum.
Yes.
There you found pictures from other caves. Up can take a small time travel with other pictures, and every room carries information in English. Earlier in 10 o'clock can go down the cave.
10 o'clock?
Yes, you must only take around here behind you from the stairway down, and then we have 20 degrees, your clothes very enough, and the boat trip is 180 meters, is a good 10 minutes. Whole program I think max 1 hour. Have fun.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's crazy, you would not think there could be a cave here.
No. Yeah, cool.
Is that what we're doing?
No, we're not doing that.
Oh, jeez.
Did you not want some of that, Fletcher?
No!
Yeah, here's the cave we're going into.
Really? Where? Where are we going?
Right, this is the way to the cave.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, guys. Light goes on.
Going into the cave. Whoa.
It's a bit warm here.
No.
Yeah, it's warm, isn't it? It's for the temperature.
No, in twins. No, in
Are we going in?
Huh?
Oh, yeah, we're not allowed to start.
We're not going yet, we're not allowed yet. Wow, that is amazing.
This is going.
No, captain in the front.
I want to.
Okay, put yours on then, mate.
Okay, the captain can come to the front.
Yeah.
I want to cuddle maybe Daddy.
No, please.
The boat's going down so low.
Right.
There, Dad.
Yeah. Yeah, got me oar.
And you to the back on my left.
Okay. Thank you.
Hopefully we don't get stuck.
That happens sometimes.
Okay.
Always try to stay on the center of the seat. You two
Okay.
be as close together in the middle as possible. You can use your hands to push yourself on the wall.
Okay.
The last part of the cave is a narrow tunnel. Don't use the pedal, just your hands.
Okay.
You can hit anything, the boats are used to it. Have a good time.
Thank you very much.
And next to that lamp there will be a camera on the left that will do a photo of him.
So
Okay.
smile.
Yes,
Smile.
have a good time.
Cool, thank you.
Mom, can we fall?
Yes, so that's why she's saying keep in the middle.
Oh my god! I don't want to fall.
No, we won't.
Oh my god. Go that way, go that
I can't believe how clear this is. Oh, we don't smile.
I think I did. But I think I closed my eyes.
We're too busy concentrating.
Please, I want you to know when to fall down. Why is it?
We're not falling down. This is very safe.
Cool. Get a selfie.
Oh wow.
Guys, ready?
Don't fall.
Everyone said so, are you?
Okay.
Ready?
We had to duck. I did a duck and my hair just managed to touch it.
So you can drink from near the water's drinking water.
Wow. That gets a bit deeper over here.
We're not going to go that way, right?
Whoa.
We're not going that way.
No, we can't let us block that.
Oh gosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Hey, we're tipping, we're tipping.
Dipping. I wonder what's under there.
Well, which direction should we go in?
Mum,
Don't want to get lost.
that's got to be a dead end. We can't go both ways, can we? Yeah, we can't fit down there. So I'd rather go the other way. Oh no, that's a dead end anyway.
Because it doesn't really line
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Mind your head.
Get a bit deeper now.
Oh god damn it.
Ooh.
Wow. I saw the pictures where it was so deep, it looked like it was 70 meters deep.
Yeah, I don't think we go to that bit.
up. I can't believe how clear the water is. It's beautiful.
Oh no, we're sinking. Whacked like 10 times. More than that. Can I stand up or is it?
No, you will fall.
Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. We're gonna hit the wall. I'm actually not scared anymore.
No, you shouldn't. Nothing bad can happen here. It's just really peaceful.
No, it's just when there's a low ceiling it makes you feel a little bit more claustrophobic.
Please, can we go up there and check? Never come back down.
So cool.
The pedal to your left, it will be easier to step out.
Yeah.
Azok mindegyik az elvileg.
Oh God. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, Dad's locked now.
How was that, Fletcher?
Good, but Dad, you're locked.
Oh, there we go. Come on. Jetson,
No, I wish.
how was that, mate?
That was cool. Yeah, Karen. Done it.
Wow, that was cool.
It
Enjoyed that.
was. But definitely book online and book really early, so then you don't have to wait for slow people in front of you.
Yeah,
Otherwise we were the first.
Yeah, we were the first in, so we could go around it as we see fit. Or as Fletcher wanted to rock it round.
Daddy, you wanted to tip over. Yes, you wanted the boat to be tipped over.
I didn't want the boat to tip over. I was just trying to get in. I was just trying to get in a photo, but your bulbous head was in the way.
Bulb said.
What?
Nothing.
It should be the same temperature, it's the same body of water.
Yeah.
Going in, mate.
It's good, it's warmer.
Yeah?
Yeah, touch it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Push that in. How deep is this?
Right, what's the time? We're going in.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
But it's so
Who's in? Coming in.
There's inside there. No, there's nothing inside there. If they try to go inside here, would they die?
Coming in, guys.
Dad, how are you doing that?
It's not too bad.
Really? Oh. It's good.
Actually, it's lovely once you're in.
Don't splash.
Oh, it's actually fine.
Yeah, see, look, it's lovely. Hey! Oh, Fletcher. Nice. Enjoying it, mummy?
Yeah, it's really lovely.
Enjoying it, boys? Boys? Something different, isn't it? Swimming in the lake. How was that, boys?
Good. Very good.
Great response there from the boys. Obviously very thrilling. We thought that was quite cool. Wasn't as warm as the baths,
No, it wasn't.
but still warm enough. Was pleasant to get into.
It's just if you start getting in, when you're staying there for like, what is so cool is about usually in seas, you wait for like 5 minutes and then you're warm. This lake, 5 seconds and you're completely warm.
Yeah, really good.
It was a good workout.
Yeah,
It was.
especially when you got one arm.